Hello student, I am Varun Nishad from LPA Public School. In this video, we will discuss about the some remaining parts of chapter 14, that is some natural phenomena. Dear students, we will discuss about the lightning and thundering simultaneously, and then after we discussed about the earthquake and their safety measures and various related terminology that is related from earthquake, that is seismic wave, magnitude, reactive scale, seismograph, epicenter, and two remaining topics that are left we are discussing in this class. The fault zone. The fault zone is related from the earthquake. On the earth crust, the earthquake prone area. The earthquake prone area is known as fault zone. Second, earthquake. The earthquake means in one sentence the tremor of earth crust. Earth crust का जो tremorance होता है उनको बोलते हैं or vibrations of earth crust is called the earthquake. And various subject has been discussed already in previous videos, and the causes of earthquake and the safety measures are also discussed in the previous videos. You have to see, try to see and try to understand the causes of earthquake, the man-made causes and volcanic eruptions. So man-made underground testing nuclear weapons. When the atom bombs and hydrogen bombs and nuclear reactors try to testing as the national agency, it causes the vibrations in the related areas, and that's why it is a man-made. During the testing of nuclear weapons, it has caused earthquake, but it is related from certain area where the nuclear weapons are tested. And volcano eruptions. Volcano eruptions is very closely related to the earthquake. The earthquake happens before the volcano eruptions and after the volcano eruptions. It is confirmed that when the volcano eruptions has been takes place, then before the volcano eruption earthquake came, otherwise after the volcano eruptions has been came. Volcano eruptions is volcano is a mountain with an opening when pressure build up inside the earth. When pressure build up inside the earth and opening of mountain. Suppose that is the ground and it is and here is the bursting of due to the molten rock. Molten rock is a highly pressure. The pressure get created and the bulging of energy get released, and bulging of energy get released. Get released, and bulging of energy get released and cause excess amount of energy get released, cause tremendous sound in the near area where the volcano eruptions has been take place. And this molten rock is called lava, and this called lava is very high temperatures. And so volcano eruptions is a mountain. It is a very mountain shaped position, and when the bursting of this pressure, tremendous pressure, opening of the pressure in build up inside the earth by bulging of energy get released from the volcano eruptions. It cause vibrations, and before the earthquake is come or after the earthquake come it is confirmed that earthquake is happened before after the volcano eruptions. So some related tasks from the volcano eruptions, that is near the volcano and after the cooling the lava, molten rock, is weathering and then it converted into black soil. Let's take the example. If you try to understand lava, that is molten rock, then start weathering and then cold, and then converted into black soil. So it is a natural phenomenon. Also, the tsunami is also a natural phenomenon which is caused by the related various related activities, and how we prevent from the disaster like earthquake. So earthquake is non-predictable. Before the upcoming of earthquake, we did not able to predict the earthquake scheme. It is a sudden shock on the earth crust. So that's why on the school level, on the disaster management, the program has been conducted by the private agency and public agency, also for the awareness of citizens of the country, and the children in the school has been such a good awareness agency for the pupils during the how we save, how we alert during the earthquake, during the volcano, or during the lightning and thundering. Lightning and thundering is very curious for the people, and people are totally safe from during the lightning and thundering. But the earthquake is very serious problem, very serious disaster. That's why it has been need to protect from this alertness, and that's why we have need to convert it into the very broad level. That's why the children are aware from that of particular activities. Lava and weathering of rock, molten rock, that is weathering and then converted into the conversion of black soil, and black soil for the suitable the growing of crop of the cotton crop. The cotton crop grow well in the black soil. So causes of earthquakes that has been completed, and the disaster management has been governed by the NDRF of the National Disaster Management Security Force, and also other NGO, that is non-government organization, has also play very significant role into the preventing or rescue of the people from affected from the tsunamis and earthquake and other disasters. The private and public agencies has been very active during that time. So in the very minute level, the students are the group of students play very significant role into the alertness during the earthquake and tsunami and other natural phenomena. We have in the grassroots level play the implementation to alertness from this. On the time of earthquake, we have to prepare ourselves on which parameters has been followed to protect ourselves, or protect our relatives, how we protect from the earthquake during the time of earthquake and during the other natural phenomena. So we have need to implement and we have need to alert for the citizens of the country. And so this topic, that is some natural phenomena, is starting from the electric charge, transfer of electric charge, and what are how many type of charge, that is positive and negative charge, and lightning and thundering. The lightning and thundering takes place in the bumps of air, that is cold and hot airs in very high speed. The cloud are bumps together, and in the contribution of cold and hot air, and they cause lightning and thundering. And lightning takes place basically the separation of charge, positive and negative charge, and it causes death of organism, or it may be causes man, and that's why. And then after the discussion of the earthquake, causes of earthquake and different parameters of earthquake, and man-made causes, that is nuclear weapon testing during the relative area cause vibrations, high vibrations, and it causes earthquake. And volcanic eruptions is caused also earthquake. Before the volcanic eruption maybe earthquake, and after the volcanic eruption maybe earthquake takes place in the surrounding areas. And there is a fault zone, that is where the earthquake is certainly takes place on a particular area. So these are the topic of some natural phenomena, and another topic, that is a question and answer method, discussed in the next video. Thank you.